Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming TCS NQT exam. Today, I'm going to cover few of the important previous year questions which are repeated and which can be asked to you again. If not asked, then almost similar pattern questions will be asked to you. Okay. So, if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe because it motivates me to make more content. And if you are liking, if you are subscribing more, then I'll upload more videos of previous year questions and which will be very much helpful for your upcoming exam. Okay, so let's start with the questions. So guys, if you have not shared this channel, then please share this with your friend so that they can also take help from this. Okay, so I'm going to share actual questions which were asked in 2022, 23, 21 and all previous year questions. Okay, so let's start with the this question. So I hope all of you have gone through the last video regarding surds and indices, and this is from that chapter. If you have not gone through that, then please go with that. Okay. So if you have got this question, how will you solve the problem and what should be your approach? Okay. So if you have given your answer, then let me give and let's cross verify if your answer is right or not. Okay. So let me just reduce. Okay, it's fine. So what will be the shortcut to solve this type of problem? So here, as you can see, 0.093 to the power cube minus this and by 0.16 square minus this. If you know any shortcut tricks, then please comment down. If you don't know, then it's fine, I'm giving you a shortcut trick. Okay, so what should be the shortcut trick? That is just like get the nearest number, whole number, that is 0.093. We can assume at like it as 0.09. Okay, and what is the cube of 9? That is 9 square 81 and 9 cube is 729. Okay, so it will become 0.000729. Okay, and 0.000343 is already there, so we have to just subtract this number. Okay, 0343. So just subtract this becomes 6, 4, 2, it's become 8 and this becomes 3, so 0.000386 and denominator 0.16 square, so 16 square is 256, right? So 0.0256 minus 0.0063, so just subtract this becomes 3910.0. okay, so 0.0 yeah 0.0193. okay, sorry, actually I think there is some mistakes, 3 and then 9 1 1. Okay, it's fine. So 0.0193. So if I divide this number by 0.0193, then what will be the answer? So just okay, I hope you know how to calculate this. So it becomes 100. So just divide this 386 by 193. Okay, so this becomes 2 386. Okay, so 2 is the answer and you have to just subtract this by 100, so this becomes 0.02. so the answer is lying between 0.01 to 0.03. so I hope you understood. Okay, so that's why the option D will be the correct answer. So you have to get the almost nearest number. Okay, that is the shortcut trick. Don't go with the whole number, go with the nearest number. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me go to the next question. So this type of Venn diagram problem will be very much important. This will be asked to you in foundational sections as well as in advanced sections. So almost like let's say 6 to 8 numbers are allocated in Venn diagram problem. So please give importance to this problem. So let me just read it for you. I hope this is not properly visible. So if in the following figure, triangle represents internet, okay, and circle represents newspaper, and newspaper, and rectangle represents magazines, and square represents news. Okay, which letter represents news from newspapers? uh, Newspapers available through internet. Okay, it is not properly visible for me as well. Okay. Which question is, which letter represents news from newspapers available through the internet? Okay, so I hope you understood which letter represents news from newspaper available through internet. Okay, so you have to get the answer. So we got that triangle. So let me just reduce the weight. Okay, so the triangle is internet. Okay, the circle is newspaper, it is fine. The rectangle is magazine, and the square is news. Okay, so the question is, which letter represents news from newspaper available through internet? So this should be available at all these sections: news, newspaper, and internet. Okay, so let's check it. Which letter represents news from newspapers? News from newspapers. So from newspaper, what are the letters present? That is LMN. So circle is newspaper, right? So LMN present inside the circle. And from newspaper, we can get this news only, that is L, M, and N as well. Sorry, L and M. Okay, because LM present inside the square, right? So LM can only be possible as of now because LM is present like common for news and newspaper. Now we have to find which can be accessible through internet. So triangle is internet, right? So only L is the common which is present in triangle, present in square, present in circle. That means it is the letter which represents from news, represents news from newspaper through internet. Okay, so L is the correct answer, option D. Okay, so if you have any other options in your understanding, then please like give your answer in the comment section, or I'll obviously love to see what your answer is. Okay, so this is the second question from Venn diagram, and these are all advanced questions. Okay, so if you can solve these questions, then you can solve the actual questions in your exam as well. Okay, so guys, like if you want to solve, like if you know the best strategy to crack TCS NQT is that just if you have little bit proficiency in aptitude, then solve previous year questions, then give mock test, right? This is the best strategy to like crack TCS NQT. Okay, so if you want to get all the previous year questions and if you want to give the mock test, then please DM me at my Insta handle instagram.com/techno.ef. This is like all, this cost only 89 rupees and it will help you to crack TCS NQT exam. Okay, still we have free materials which is like limited, but still you can get it. Just fill the form given in the description box. Okay, so what will be the solution for this question? The given Venn diagram shows the number of people who watch different news channels. The rectangle represents the people who like to watch ABC News channel. The oval represents the people who like to watch PQR news channel, and rhombus represent the people who like to watch JKL news. So rectangle represents ABC, and oval represents PQR, and rhombus represent JKL, right? So this is JKL, the oval is PQR, and the rectangle is ABC. Okay, so the question is, find the sum of the number of people who like to watch ABC News channel. Who like to watch ABC News channel. So ABC News channel is the rectangle. So ABC news channel, like it has 4, it has 5, it has 3, it has 5, right? So 4 plus 5, 9 plus 3, that is 12 plus 5, that is 17. Okay, and it is also told the sum of the number of people who like to watch ABC news channel. So these are the people who like to watch ABC news channel, and only PQ1 news channel. So PQ1 news channel means this oval, right? So these 3, these 5, all are like, these all are common in ABC and PQR. So it is told that only PQR, that is 2 only. Okay, so this is not common in any other news channel. So these people watch only PQR news channel. So it should be also added. So people do mistake here. After seeing this option 17, they like tick on 17. So this is actually 19. Okay, so correct option is option C. So I hope you understood. So let me go to the next question. So this is the next question. I have solved this type of problem in the earlier videos. So if you know how to solve, then please start solving by yourself, then come to watch. Okay, so the question is, you will have 5 pairs. Okay, you will have 5 pairs, and you have to tick 2 pairs. You have to check 2 pairs are there which follows same pattern in transformation. So it, the first word has been transformed to this. Okay, first word has been transformed to this, right? So you have to check which two pairs is following same transformation pattern. Okay, so let me just check that. So I have just yeah, like make it dark because of copyright issue. Okay, so Indian is converted to JOEJBM. Okay, beauty to this, inkpot to this, papers to this, minute to this. Which are the options following same pattern? Okay, let me check it. So I to J, that is +1. Okay, I to J, that is +1. N to O, that is +1. D to E +1, I to J +1, A to B +1, N to M, that is -1. So all +1 at the end, the last letter -1. Okay, then B to B, it is same. Okay, E to A, sorry, you can see A, E are shifted. They have shifted their place. Okay, E and A. You are at the same position. Okay, and TY has shifted their position. Okay, so EA and YT has shifted their position with each other. Okay, and ink pot, here pot ink. So ink is coming at the end and pot is coming at the first. Okay, beginning. Papers. So here P R. So all alternative letters are present at the same position. Okay, but the next alternative next alternative letters are just being the +1. A +1, that is B. E +1, that is F. S +1, that is T. Okay, here minute. So minute, right? Minute. M, here N, here T and T. So all alternative letters are at the same position, but the next alternative, that is I, U and E, are just being +1. Okay, so this is similar to D and E. So here also the first alternatives are at the same position, but the next alternatives A, E, S are being +1. Here also M, U and M, N and T are at the same position. Next alternatives I, U and E are being +1, right? So that's why D and E will be the correct pairs which are following same pattern. Okay, so I hope your answer is also same. So let me go to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question, and the same question pattern will follow here, I think. So let me just check that. So guys, if you have any queries now, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. There you will find various problems solutions, various questions, various PDFs, various materials. So you can just join here UBK Anna. You will get to know various solutions. Okay, so please join there, and like you will get various resources. And if you want the materials freely, then just fill the form in the given description box. Okay, so you will get the materials within a day. And you can consider our prime materials to get all the premium materials. So I will just recommend it for you as of now, as the exam is very closer. So please recommending you to have the prime materials. Mature is being UREMAT. So what is being the transformation? That is, the first three letters are at the last, and last three letters here at the first year. Okay, so this is the shipment. This is the transformation. Here manage. So M manage, right? Manage. Okay, let me check the second one. That is, as you can see, MIN mean the first three letters are shifted at the end, and here ing, the last three letters are shifted at the beginning. So I don't have to check the other options, right? So it is already, I have discovered that the same pattern is following in A and C. So I don't have to check the other one. You can check, but as I have got the same pattern of transformation in A and C options, so we will go with that. So option C here, A and C is the correct option. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So this is a quiz question for you guys. So please give the answer in the comment section. I love to give you a heart whoever will like give a correct answer. TOP, VLT, TOX, VLV, TNF. Which option, like, select the wrong term in the following series? So I hope you will give the answer in the comment section. Okay. So let me go to the next question, that is this. So this is from percentage. Actually, I have already shared a full video discussing the shortcut tricks to solve any percentage related problem. So if you have not watched those, then please watch the playlist regarding TCS NQT. It will be very much helpful. The link is given in the description box of TCS NQT playlist. Please watch that. This will be very much helpful to solve any type of percentage related problems. Okay. Okay, so let me solve it. So 20% of a plus b is equal to 25% of a minus b, and all of these questions are real questions. Okay, so if you can solve the real actual exams question as well. Okay, so 20% of a plus b is equal to 25% of a minus b. 20%, 20 by 100 into a plus b is equal to, so let me just make it 3. Yeah, so 20 into a plus b is equal to 25 into a 25 by 100 into a minus b. Okay, so this 100 and 100 cut out. 5 for the 20, 5 5 jar 25. So 5 into a plus b, 5 into a minus b. So sorry, 5 4 jar, right? So 4 into a plus b, 5 into a minus b. So multiply that. 4a plus 4b is equal to 5a minus 5b. The question is, what percent of a is b? What percent of a is b? So we have to get that b is equal to how much percent of b. Okay, so sorry, so 4a plus 4b is equal to 5a minus 5b. So 5b just come here, like just shift this to the left, so this becomes 9b, and 4a to the right, that becomes 5a minus 4a becomes a, right? So 9b is equal to a, right? Now we have to get the value of b, so it becomes 1 by 9 into a. What is the percentage of this one? If you just divide 100 by 9, you get that 1199, and this becomes 1 by 9, 11 1 by 9. Okay, so that is option B. Okay, so I hope you understood what's the solution. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me go to the next problem. That is this. I hope this is the, no, this is the second last question, I think. So let me check that. So guys, I have already solved the surds and indices problem. So please watch the uh, playlist regarding TCS NQT, which will be helpful for you to crack TCS NQT and to get that shortcut tricks to solve it. Okay, so 5 root over 5 into 6 to 5 into I hope you know. So how to solve this? Let me just solve it. Okay, so 5 root 5 means root 5 means 5 to the power 1 2, right? So 5 into 5 to the power 1 2, that means 5 3 by 2, right? So I hope you know 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 by 2, right? So root means to the power 1 by 2. So if this is in multiplication form, so power and power exponents are being added, right? So 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So that's why 5 into 3 by 2 into 625. So 625 is 5 to the power 4, right? So into 4, so it is becoming 5 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 5 to the power n plus 5, n plus 1 by 5. So just what you have to do, just add the exponent. All the bases are same, so just add the exponents. That becomes 3 by 2 plus 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to n plus 1 by 5. So base are same, right? Base are same, so that's why we can equal the exponent. So it becomes 4 4 2 3 6 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 by 5. So we can write n is equal to 22 plus 21 23 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So just get the solution of it. This becomes 25. It becomes like, am I wrong somewhere? 2 2s are 6, 1 4 4 16. It is right. It is right. So 4 5s are 20. 5 into this will become 5 into this, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, that is 11 minus 4. Okay, this becomes 1 1 1 by 20. So just divide it and get the output. 10 25 are 100 and 11, so 5 to the 5 11 by 20. Okay, 5 11 by 20. So option C is the correct answer, not this one. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the correct problem. As I have been teaching you, that's why it took little bit time, but you could have solved this more like more quicker. Okay, so let me go to the next problem, that is regarding directional sense. And this is very important because from reasoning sections you will have almost 2 to 3 directional sense based question, and this will be very much helpful because if you want the digital rule or prime rule now, you have to solve almost more than 75% or 70% of advanced section as well. Okay, so you have to solve it. So it is the question is x and y are walking in opposite directions. Okay, they meet each other face to face at 4 p.m. Okay, x finds the shadow of y to his left. In which direction was x facing while walking? So let me just solve it. So if you have good imagination power, then you can solve this problem very easily. Okay, so ask your friend if he can solve this problem or not, and check his or her imagination power. So I hope you will check your friend's imagination power, how can he solve, or like how, if he can solve or not. Okay, so let me just solve. I hope you will also solve it by yourself. So let me just check and let's cross verify. Okay, so x and y are walking in opposite directions. They can walk in this direction and this direction as well. Okay, they can walk southwest, I mean south and north, and also from east west. Okay, I hope you know that this is the west and this is the east and this is the north and this is the south. Okay, and at the time of 4 p.m. at the afternoon, so this is the time where sun sets, right? Sun is at west position. Okay, so that means whoever present, wherever present, their shadow will cast at the east position. Okay, their cast, I mean their shadow will cast at the east position. Okay, and it is also told that, it is also told that the shadow of y is left of x, left of x. Okay, so if the shadow is casting at the east only, that means they are walking face to face from north to south or south to north. Okay, but it is as of now a question, x can be from south to west, or y also can come from north to south. Okay, so let's check from x coming from north and y coming from south. Okay, so it is told that y's shadow is at the left of y. So x is coming from north, so it is left of x, and y is coming from south, so his or her right is this side. So this is the east position, right? And sun is at here, so their shadow is at this position. So that means x is coming from north to south, and y is coming from south to north, and y's shadow is at the east direction, that is at y's left direction. Okay, so that means x is coming from north to south. So in which direction x is walking? That is south. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So I hope you understood. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please give the quiz questions answer in the comment section. I love to give you a heart, and please share this content with your friends so that they can also take help and they can also get the job together. Okay, and at the end I'll recommend you to have the prime materials of TCS NQT, where you will get all the previous year questions, which will be very much helpful for you to crack TCS NQT. And also you will give the mock test for testing how much proficiency you have, how much quicker you can solve a problem, or then you will get all the interview preparation, like all the recent interview experience for prime role, for digital role, for all roles, right? So if you want, then please just DM me at my channel instagram.com/techno.ef. I'll try to assist you. So I hope you will do so. So thank you for today's session.